In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for scheduling. Whether you're organizing a work meeting, a personal appointment, or a family event, Google Calendar can help streamline your scheduling process. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this powerful tool. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar. If you're using a desktop, head over to calendar.google.com. Here, you can see a comprehensive view of your schedule for the day, week, or month. If you're on a mobile device, simply open the Google Calendar app, available for both Android and iOS. This makes it easy to keep track of your events on the go. Once you have Google Calendar open, the next step is to create an event. On the desktop version, click the plus create button, or if you're using your mobile, tap the plus, then select event. This opens a window where you can enter important details for your event. Make sure to give your event a clear title, like team meeting or doctor appointment. Next, set the date and time for your event, so it's accurately reflected in your calendar. If your event has a specific location, make sure to add that too. For virtual meetings, you can insert a Google Meet link, which is conveniently generated for you. Adding a description or agenda can also be helpful, especially if there are notes or links that attendees need to review beforehand. Once all the information is filled in, your event is ready to take shape. For events involving other people, you'll want to add them as guests. In the event window, look for the Guests or Add People section and type in the email addresses of those you'd like to invite. Once added, your guests will receive an email invitation with options to RSVP, indicating if they'll attend or not. Now let's talk about avoiding double booking. On the desktop version, you have the feature called Find a Time. This is particularly useful if you're using Google Workspace, as it helps you see everyone's availability. Alternatively, you can use Suggested Times, where Google Calendar recommends time slots based on your calendar insights. This ensures you're planning meetings when everyone is free. Next, it's crucial to set reminders and notifications. Click Add Notification to set either email or pop-up reminders. You can opt for reminders like 10 minutes before an event or even a day in advance. Multiple reminders can be set if you're worried about forgetting important deadlines. Finally, once everything is arranged, hit Save. If you've added guests, you'll be prompted to send invitations, making sure everyone is notified. Your event will then appear on your calendar and on the calendars of those you've invited. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering Google Calendar for scheduling and keeping your life organized and efficient.